So by now you would have guessed what I'm going to be talking about. Yes, the iPhone 16 series. And these are not the iPhone 16 series. This one is iPhone 14 and this one is 15 Pro. But, I know all about the iPhone 16 and that is why I'm here and I'm going to be telling you all about the iPhone 16 series. कैसे होंगे नए iPhone? आपको बताऊंगी मैं इस वीडियो में. Well, the larger display, first one, yes, 6.27 inches and 6.86 inches is going to be the screen size of the new iPhones, which is the iPhone 16, and this is going to be the biggest ever screen size on any iPhone. Also, the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus will have a vertical camera at the back that you can see here. These are not verticals, these are a little adjacent and diagonal, and also you see that these are vertical and horizontal both. But yes, the next one that you see will be vertical camera layout for the spatial video recording. Well, the third new thing that you're going to be seeing is the color. Yes, the iPhone 16 will have blue, olive green, pink, white and dark gray. You can see the screen here. These are the colors that you're going to be getting in the new iPhone 16 series. That's the best part of it. You know, the colors that come in iPhone are always awaited because they're so fresh, nice and amazing colors. I just love them. Now moving on to the other thing that you're going to be getting is the bigger and improved battery for a good usage. Yes, there are news wherein the battery is going to be a improved one for the new iPhones. You see the side buttons here. Yes, there's going to be a new capture button that you're going to be getting here for the camera purpose. Maybe you could just click here and you get the camera moving. So that's the new thing that you might be getting in the iPhone 16. Next up is the new camera lens of 48 megapixel, which is going to be an ultra wide lens. And also you'll get the 48 megapixel Pro RAW for shooting purposes. Next one is the iPhone 16, which is the Max model. Yes, the iPhone 16 Max will have periscope lens for good optical zoom capabilities. So the videography is going to be on another level. Yes, the new iPhone 16 series will also support the Wi-Fi 7 and some of them with Wi-Fi 6E. Yes, the iPhone 16 series is going to have the A18 chipset for a good work sync with the AI features of the iOS 18 that you've just seen. Yes, the iOS 18 will have a chipset of A18 so that both can sync together and give you a perfect performance. Yes, also the iPhone 16 series will have Snapdragon X75 modem for good 5G speed and efficiency. And last but not the least, the pricing. Yes, the iPhone 16 series will of course not be sasta or the budget one. They will be priced, well, we'll let you know that next month. That's the iPhone 16 series leaks from my end. This is how they're going to be, and yes, stay tuned for more iPhone updates the whole month till the time they're here.